Hi guys! Today I want to show you how to make your Mayana or Coleus plant full and bushy. This is what you call pinching method. Although Coleus plants or Mayana are fairly low maintenance and present few problems when planted in evenly moist sites with the correct amount of sun for the specific cultivar, they do require regular pinching back to maintain the desired form and vigor. Pinch through the Coleus stem just above a node where two leaves meet the stem that has at least one axillary bud, using your thumb and the fingernail on your index finger. Pinching the growing tips of the Coleus back regularly when it is young encourages branching and the bushy habit. Water the Coleus as needed to maintain evenly moist but not excessively wet soil around the Coleus to encourage fast recovery following the pinching. Pinch off the growing tips of the Coleus selectively in areas of the plant where growth appears spindly or could become leggy. Pinch the stem back to a leaf node where at least one axillary bud is present, as these buds will ideally grow out to form new shoots. Thank you for watching. Like and share.